Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can create fire on your video using CapCut apps. So for example, I already have one video clip. So yeah, it's super simple. You are just going to select effect to make the fire, and you can select video effect. Just search for the keyword fire and then search. So there are several options the fire effect that you want to add to your video. Just click on it. For example, I'm going to select this one, just download it. And
so in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to shuffle.
alright, just click check mark and you can adjust for the duration of the effect. Okay,
So
that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.